In this video, I want to explain to you what the rules are for. So if you go to the email and CRM, hover your mouse here and click rules, manage rules, you will be presented with this page. So basically they are the same as the sequences. The only difference is that with a sequence, with a sequence, you can create an action rule, right? So this sequence have this action rule. So this available options here, the smart rules over here is also available here, manage rules. If I click add new rule, they are basically the same. The only difference is that with sequence the steps, it is only executed on day number X, right? It is only executed a day, in this example, one day after the previous step. So the contact has to cycle through the first one, the second step, and then when the third step is ready, then this will be executed, right? With a rule, for the rule to be executed, it doesn't have to pass a certain number of days because this is not a sequence, so it happens automatically. So for example, rule name, this name is for your reference only, for your own internal purpose. I'm going to call this a demo rule. Okay, active, if contact is created, as you can see, this is actually basically the same that you see, the options here that you see over here. Like I have said just now, it's basically the same. Now, for example, let's say I want to, if contact is tagged with podcast, for example, let's say I don't want to create it inside a sequence. I want to create it as a rule. I can say that if a contact is tagged with a podcast, that means he likes to listen to podcasts, right? So then I can send an email message and then select a message. That message could be saying hi to them, and then, hey, since you like podcasts, I'll be sending you more podcasts your way in the coming future, in the near future, something like that. And this will happen automatically without waiting for an X number of days. This will happen automatically because we check for this rule very often, every day, every single day. Okay. So another example would be if, let's say, if a contact refunds this product, for example, I can send an email message and ask them, hey, is there anything wrong? Why did you refund our product? Is there anything that we can do better? Is there anything else we can serve you better? Something like that. And you can optionally add an additional condition if you want. This one, you can play around with the settings. Basically, it's the same as this action rule inside the sequence. Again, it's just a matter of with the action rule inside the sequence, you have to wait for an X number of days, whereas here you don't have to wait for an X number of days.